now enough na ebe a bụ Anako. Ihe bụ ihe mme yesterday. Ndị Fulani buru PG ọmọ nwanne nya pụtakwa nya kidnap kwa onye ọzọ na moto onye aka ha mebisi. Please, Anambra State government, we really need your help. Our willing working governor Obiano, you are our brother. Things are very going wrong in Ayam Melomu. In Ayam, people are not happy. Umaza Ayam Melomu was happy. Speaker, you are our brother. Please do something for us. If we are messing Ayam Melomu, if you are messing Abai, umunna na tusuji batazibai nezanyi ha Melomu to wanna kidnap boya. Kuasi umunna nebu munna Ayam Melomu angusi gonna angry youth no see. Bikono, our willing working governor, we really need your help. Biko, I need your help. Biko,
we need your help. Ndefuna ebuga ino oboda. Leyo ndefuna ni merai. Kidnap so many of us here. Since you want to na fu better. Ha kporo basia ni mo ya na moto egoro na December. Ndefuna ni mere ye niile. We ma ayi otu ayi we noro. Na goni since nebe biko wili anyị na-ayọ gị enweghị nwere ike ime na ya mere m ime abeg we are begging you in the name of God ụmụnne gị na-anwụ na goni mana anyị nwere onye dịka gị abeg
biko thank you Governor ya this message is going to direct to speaker of Anambra State. Ụmụnne m n'anya things are very going wrong in Anambra State, especially Ayam Melomu. The Inanya Funa Ihena Menu Iho and Messin Ayam Melo make kidnap PG or more last week, which is day before yesterday. Yesterday in the evening, one of my friends, Ina Motie, Ogomota na Christmas, where bata on his way going back, Nde Fulani, their mayor attack. Inanya Nakurisi Motie Buri and Afuberianya had a 3 able. Please, Governor, we need your help. Please, Governor, we need your help. Please. Working governor, we need your help.